Welcome to Twistology Cubing. Today we're going to be talking about Rubik's Cube notation. Rubik's Cube notation is lettering that is used to tell you how to turn the cube for algorithms and such. There are 6 main letters, or ones that are used all the time. When you turn a side, for instance U for up, you always turn it clockwise as if you were facing it. So for instance, if we were to do D for down, then we face it and do it clockwise. So this is U and this is D. If we want to turn a side counterclockwise, we call it U prime, or U with an apostrophe after it. U, U prime, D, D prime, R for right, R prime, L for left, L prime, F for front, F prime, and B for back, or B prime. U, U prime, D, D prime, R, R prime, L, L prime, F, F prime, B, B prime. And in addition to prime, there's also 2. For instance, this is U and U prime. And if you want to turn the layer twice, instead of saying U, U, you could just say U2. So this is U2, D2, D2, R2, R2, L2, L2, F2, F2, B2, B2. And there's no 2 prime because if you had U2, it's the same as U2 prime. For other cubes that don't only have 4 edges on a side, for instance the Kilominx, there is a U2 prime because turning it U2 prime and U2 are not the same. But this is a simple notation reference, so we won't go into detail on those. Alright, there's 6 more to go. There's M, which is turning the middle slice here, and M prime, and E, which is turning this middle slice, and E prime, and S, which is turning this middle slice, and S prime. There's also turning the whole cube like this. This is X for turning it once on the X-axis, or X prime, and this is Y and Y prime, and this is Z for turning it on the Z-axis. Thanks for watching. Hope this reference helped. If you have any questions, please comment below, and I also put a downloadable version of this cheat sheet in the description below.